of things. The firstly, they will uh, manage the marriage events or other events. So they have a website for specifically for that purpose. And secondary, they take projects from other colleges or other persons, like doing a freelancing job for them. So we were working on that projects also. And after that, I had joined the Prabhu Bhakti Private Limited in Gurgaon in office for 6 months also. In that company, we were basically working on their websites. Like firstly, we were doing the we were given the boot camp of 21 days to get to know their technologies, and then we were given the task like to maintain and more beautify their front end website.
Okay. So, okay. So, have you ever worked on Next.js?
And no, sir.
Okay, and React?
Yes, sir. A little bit of React because their master code was in both the companies. The master code was in the JavaScript.
Okay. Okay. So, if I ask you to rate yourself out of 10 in React and JavaScript, how much you give yourself?
Sir,
Hey, I am Ajit, and on this channel, I take interview of web development candidate to help other to prepare and grow. If you would like me to take your personal interview, feel free to fill out the form or email me directly. Link are in the description. Also, if you are interested in my personal web development note that I personally use and update weekly, you can buy or download them using the link below. Want them for free? Just give an interview, then I will share the full access to you. In these notes, you will get 500 plus questions of full stack developer with proper explanation and very accurate answer, which will help you to crack any interview. With 12-week proper front-end developer roadmap and company list. Also, I have attached DSA questions for front-end developer, how much DSA you will need if you are aiming for high package. These all things are in one single notes, and the best part is that I am updating these notes regularly, so you will always up to date.
in JavaScript, I can say 8 to 9, and in React, I can say 5 to 6, 7. Like I know the basics of React, and I can apply that also.
Okay.
But I'm
So,
not that confident in React.
okay. So, okay. So, please share your screen and open VS Code.
Just a minute, sir. It will be visible, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll open a new folder, sir.
Open VS Code.
Yes, sir. I open, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So, I wanted to create a component. Okay.
Okay.
To to display current time, and it will update every second. Like you need to show second, minute, and hour.
Okay.
Yeah. You can do it.
So actually, I'm not. I'll try, sir. I'm just trying to remember. So actually, I'm not currently remembering. Like, uh, like we can do the things like we can create a component. Then we can uh, add a component to show the date time.
Okay.
but right now I'm not remembering.
Okay, no problem, Sanjay. Okay, no problem. Just tell me what is the difference between virtual DOM and the real DOM?
So just so the virtual DOM is basically a copy of a real DOM. So and the difference is that the virtual DOM is a bit faster than the real DOM. Like React uses the virtual DOM. If we update any component in the virtual DOM, it will only update that component. But in the real DOM, the whole DOM will be re-rendered.
Okay. And is there any other difference?
Currently, I'm remembering this.
Okay. And what is the difference between use effect and use state?
Uh, Use state is basically to maintain the state of the component, and use effect is basically used like to deal with the after effect of the of a event. Like if we make an counter button that updates on clicking on the counter button, so it's after effect is that it will update the count. So for to deal with that, we use use effect, and use state is used to manage the state of the function.
Okay. And what is the difference between use state and use reducer?
Use state and use reducer, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, sir, currently I'm not remembering the use reducer.
Okay. So tell me how many hooks are in React?
So mainly there are five, but right, like use state, use effect, use memo, and use context, and use reducer. Mainly, I know these little bit of these.
And you know about use callback.
Yes, sir. Use callback also.
Okay. So what is the difference between use callback and use memo?
Use callback and use memo, sir. So basic difference is that the use memo memorizes the final result uh, of the function, sir. But
Okay.
use callback will remember the full function, and also use uh, use callback returns uh, use callback returns a value, and use memo does not return anything.
Okay. Can you please repeat again use callback and use memo? What their work?
Yes, I'll repeat again. The use memo basically remembers the final result of the function,
Final result
and
of the function,
final
right?
result. Yes, sir. That it like if we are final result of the component, sir.
Uh,
Like if we are doing
Component.
anything, then it will become
Okay, okay. Go on.
like if we are uh, doing something, then it will remember the final result, and the use callback will remember the full component details.
Okay, okay. Basically, use memo remember the calculation. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and use callback remember the function.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And what is the JSX in React?
So JSX stand for JavaScript XML. It basically helps us to implement the HTML code in JavaScript code.
Okay. And what is the difference between prop and state?
Uh, so I'm currently not remembering the difference between them.
Okay, no problem. And what is the prop drilling?
Prop dealing is something like let's suppose we have a parent class and we have a chain of children of it, like child 1 to child 3, child 4, child 5. And suppose child 5 wants some data from the parent class. So the parent class will pass it to child 1, then child 2, child 3, and child 5. So this process is called prop dealing.
Okay, and how we deal this problem?
So we can deal it by using the use effect hook, basically, or we can also use the Redux toolkit for it also. So
Okay,
in like we can manage another in Redux. We can choose. We can make an entirely uh, another state for that. Like we can mention. We can by reference. We can pass the things. Like we can maintain the data here, and then after we can give the access. Sorry, I'll just explain the use effects.
okay,
Like use effect hook, like we can make another state for that information that we want to pass it to another. Like the first will be to uh,
one component to another component.
yes sir. So like so first we will create, then we will do the we will wrap the component that are that in future can use this project or can get this data. We will wrap them in the provider, and then finally the consumer will consume it.
Okay. So what is the difference between use contact and Redux?
Use context and Redux, sir.
Yeah.
So the one reason I may think of is that Redux is a way faster and way easier method than this.
Okay.
And I basically think so that Redux toolkit is way more easier and that to the use context. I have mostly like mainly I had done from Redux toolkit, like the more than from the hooks.
Okay. Sanjeev, do one thing. Open any browser and open any JavaScript online compiler.
Okay, so yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is map filter?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Map is basically a function where which iterates on every single array and will for example we can say if that like we have a array 1 2 3 4 and we want to multiply the whole arrow with 2, then we'll use the map function to multiply on every single element of the array, and then it will give us a new array. And in filter it basically give us a new array, but there will be some condition, like if we want to get a greater than 5, then we'll apply a filter that should be the greater than 5, and then the array there will be it will generate a new array also, a new array, and will give the updated version that passes that filter that we apply for that.
Okay. So remove this code.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and create one array. Okay, 1 2 3 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want you to by using map is
Mhm.
square this array. Like I want like 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 4 into 2. You got it.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Got it, sir.
Multiply by 2, right?
Yes, sir. We have to multiply it by 2, sir.
Yeah, by 2.
Okay,
Everyone by
sir.
2.
Okay, sir. Okay,
By using map.
okay, sir.
Do you know how to use map?
Sorry, sir. This will give us the new array, and we can still control dot.
Okay. Run the code. Okay. Now instead of map, write filter. Now
Yes,
what will
sir.
be the output?
Filter. This will also be same, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Is there any no difference between map and filter?
Sir, we are applying a condition to multiply the array to 2 here. So it will give the same thing, I think. But if we will use here like the if the array is greater than like if the element is greater than 2, then we will get the 3 4, the new array in 3 4.
Okay. So are you saying the answer will be same?
No, sir, it will give us the 2 and 4, the even array.
Only 2 and 4, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Run the code.
It will give the same array.
It will give the same array. It will. It did not multiply by 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is the difference between set timeout and set interval?
Set timeout and set interval. So we basically use set timeout to execute a particular event after a set of time. Like if we want to execute a particular, like if we have a button which give us alert of hello world, then we can basically uh, use the set interval, and we'll use like by like if we want from 3 second later, so we'll apply this 3000 millisecond. So it will give us the after set out set time out. And set interval is basically that the function will work in the this particular time segment.
Okay. And what is the difference between normal function and the arrow function?
So this is just basically a short form to write a function,
Okay. Is there any no
a
other
shorter
difference?
version. No, sir.
In the arrow function, we have this keyword or not?
Yes, sir. We have this keyword.
No.
So this keyword represent the for the particular this array, like.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. But
Yeah.
in
Yes,
but
sir.
in arrow function, we don't have this keyword. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So remove this code. Okay, and create
Okay,
one
sir.
function.
Okay, sir.
Create one function. Uh, and
Yes, sir.
inside that function, write where name, where name, assign the value Sanjeev,
Yes, sir.
string. Sanjeev will be in string. Okay, and in line number four, call this function. Line number four, call this function. No need to just type A and the bracket.
We can, sorry, sir. We can
Uh,
just call it by these also. This is a
uh,
function. We can call it this by so. But I will. Sorry, sir. I will trying to use this keyword for that. We can just
okay, and
write it.
in line number two, type
Yes, sir.
console.log. In line number two, before name, before name.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Console.log.
Oh, yeah.
In log, type name. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the what will be the output.
So in this, the output will be undefined, sir,
Okay,
because
how?
of the hosting.
Okay, okay, okay.
But because of hosting, it will be bad. But after that, like first will be console log. After yes,
Are you
sir,
sure
because of the
answer will
hosting.
be undefined?
Yes, sir, undefined.
Okay. Run the code.
Hosting. But after because it's in post code, but we are after that, sir. It would be Sanjeev.
It will be Sanjeev.
If yes, sir, if we'll do this without the function block, then it would show the undefined. And now we are doing it in after the function scope, so it will show Sanjeev, sir.
Okay, so you are telling we are calling in line number five function. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's why it will give Sanjeev, right?
Yes, sir.
That's your explanation. Okay,
Because this is in a function scope. Yes, sir.
okay. Run the code.
Undefined.
Undefined
So,
because
but I think that if sir, I think that if this is in function scope, so we are consoling it before the var name, but after that we have defined it. So basically, sir, hosting work like in like hosting पहले काम करती है ना सर like अगर ये हमने var name संजीव लिख दिया है तो होस्टिंग इससे पहले काम करेगी कि पहले तो हमने इनिशियलाइज करने से पहले और डिक्लेयर डिक्लेयर करने से पहले इनिशियलाइज करने के बाद डिक्लेयर करने से पहले इसमें होस्टिंग काम करती है बट इसमें तो सर हमने वेर नेम इसमें बाद में हमने डिक्लेयर कर दिया ना सर इसमें अकॉर्डिंग टू
yeah,
मी
yeah, but the output will show according to line number two. Okay,
ओके सर अच्छा
and
आई गॉट यू
before
सर
line number two, we did not initialize name. Okay, no
ओके सर
yeah, no matter where you call the function in line number 5, 10, or in line number 1, we are consoling in line number 2, and before line number 2 we did not in, initialize name. Okay,
ओके सर
okay, so do one thing in line, go in line number 1. Okay, and
ओके
there
सर
call this function. Okay,
like
Okay,
this also.
and copy line number 3. Don't copy, just cut line number 3 and paste in it in line number 4.
After
Yeah.
that,
Yeah. Now tell me the what will be the output.
so it will show Sanjeev sir.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes sir,
How much?
100% sir.
Okay. Okay. That's correct. Run the code. Okay. You got my point, right?
Yes sir, I got it
Okay.
also.
Okay. So remove this code.
Okay sir.
Okay. Create another function.
Okay.
Inside this function, name name the function. Okay.
Like name the function and the
Okay. Bracket. Yeah. In first bracket. In bracket.
this
After yeah, yeah,
passing
yeah.
parameter sir.
Write x comma y
X comma y
comma
comma.
spread operator.
Yes sir.
Rest
Set operator then
rest
rest.
rest. Basically, it is rest operator. Okay.
Yes sir.
Uh, Inside this function, write console.log rest, and in line number 4, right? In line number 4, call this function
Yes. Yes sir.
b bracket. In this bracket, type 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4.
1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4.
Why are you
Yes.
using square bracket?
Sir, actually, I'm just a minute, sir. I'm actually getting call. Can I just put my phone on airplane mode?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what will be the output.
So 3 and 4 will be the output, sir.
Okay. How?
So the 1 and 2 will be will go in x. X will be equal to 1 and y will be equal to 2, and the rest 3 and 4 will go in the rest, sir.
Okay. So how rest and spread operator are work, and how they're different from each other?
Like so, we can say the spread operator. We can use it to spread the a thing like of array. We can say of object. We can say or we can use this spread operator to combine two objects, and if we can use the rest to store that like we have done right now sir to like if we have x and y and we want to store all the rest of the remaining elements in rest sir.
Okay. I have sent one question in chat box. Okay, just copy from there and paste it, and tell me the what will be the output.
I think it would be 5y.
5y.
Yes, sir.
How?
So like we have will firstly we have called add 2 and 3. Yeah. Sorry, add 2 and 3 function called console. Yes, the 5 will be answer, sir.
5 will be answer. How?
Yes, sir. like we have called, we are just called the function, and we are consoling the output of the function. So x 2 and 3 are like x and y, and they're returning the sum of the x and y. That will be 5. So
Okay. Do you know about return rule?
like, sir, how?
In line number two, we have type return. Do you know about
Yes, sir.
return rule?
Yes, sir. The it should be in the single array, not this one. So oh, return single, return. It will, I think, return nothing, sir. Or it will just nothing, sir.
The rule
Because
is
it's
this,
not returning.
the return rule is that key like in where we have type return,
Yes,
after
sir.
return if nothing is present, automatically the semicolon will come up. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat?
uh, if we type return, okay, and
Okay,
after
sir.
return we did not type anything, okay,
Okay, sir.
it automatically add semicolon.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That I know, sir. Like it should be
Semicolon
in a
means,
single line.
semicolon means the return statement is end there, okay.
Yes, sir.
So means x and y is nothing there in line number 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the answer will be undefined.
Yes, sir.
Okay, run the code.
Undefined, sir.
You got my point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so always check every single line, okay, while the interview.
Yes, sir.
Where is
Yes,
the
sir.
function? Where is the add? Sometimes interviewer does in function name it will give add, but in
Yes.
console.log it will give adds. It put
Yes, sir.
s at the end to check
Yes, sir.
whether the candidate is awake or
Observing
not.
correctly or not.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Actually, sir, I was a bit distracted because of the call, so that's why I didn't check it correctly.
yeah. The most the most of people do this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Now tell me, what is the difference between closure in JavaScript?
Difference between closure, sir?
What is a closure in JavaScript?
Sir, I'm not remembering the definition of closure.
Okay. And what is AN?
A-N.
NAN.
N-A-N, not a number, sir.
Okay. So can you give me one example of not a number?
Hmm.
When we get not a number in output in a
In
result.
output. Sir, I'm not currently remembering any example of this when we are getting the output of N-A-N. We can say, we can just do like this, sir. We can check the type of a string, and if that type of is not equal to yeah, then we can just if type of equal to is not equal to number, then return any.
Okay. Do one thing. I have sent one question in chat. Okay, just copy from there and tell me the what was the output.
Yeah. So this function basically does that it will uh, increase the count every second, and when the count will reach 3, it will clear the this function. So I think count will become then automatically with 0 because no, yes, count. It will clear the interval ID, like it will clear this. The
Okay,
time
so
will not
what will be the
happen.
output?
Mm, I think, sir, three will be output, sir.
Three. How?
Yes, sir. Sir, like, firstly, the count will increase to 1, then it will increase to 2, then it will increase to 3, then it will console log 3, and then after it we have if count is equal to 3, clear the interval, so the interval will be uh, removed and the count will be remained as 3, amount will remain as 3.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Run the code.
1 2 3, like it will be 1 2 3, but last will be 3.
No, but I'm asking you the what is the output? The final result. Final result is
So
1, 2, 3.
I just told you the final count value. Like it obviously the console log is logging every second. So the first it will console 1, then it will console 2, then it will console 3.
Yeah. Okay. Clear this code and type console.log in console.log 0 divided by 0. Okay. And in line number again type console.log 0 divided by string ABC. Now tell me the what will be the output.
So I I actually don't know about divided by this, but if I'll think that it would be 0 and 0.
0 and 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
0 and 0, sir.
Uh,
I'm not correctly 100% sure about it.
okay. In line number 3, type console.log type of NaN. Type of space, space. What will be the output for this?
So I think these comes at not a number will come as an object.
In line number 3, the output will be object, right?
Yes, sir. I think I have read about it somewhere that the type of NaN is object.
Okay. Do one thing. Uh, in comment, just type your answer. Okay. Object. Okay. 0, 0. Okay. In line number 4, write console.log NaN plus 5. Plus 5.
I think this would be the output. So
Do you know about the main fundamental of an not a number, NaN?
main fundamental, currently don't remember it, but
Okay,
it is basically used to tell that this is not a number.
okay. In line number 5, type console.log NaN triple equal to NaN.
I think this would be false because we have not determined the value here. I think the type of will be same, but the value can be different.
Okay. And in line number 6, type console.log 0.1 plus 0.2 triple equal to 0.3.
0.2. Then, sir?
Triple, triple equal to
Yes,
zero
sir.
point 0.3.
3.
No, it's asking like it's true or false.
It's true or false?
Yeah. It 0.1 plus 0.2 is triple equal to 0.3. Is true or false?
So I'm not sure if the addition will be first, but if I'll think that it will come as false, I think the priority will be given to the triple equals to.
Okay. Type just type your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now type console.log. In log type square bracket plus curly bracket plus curly bracket.
Yes, sir. I don't know about this.
Okay. Uh, type console.log string 2 minus 2,
String 2
yeah, minus 2,
minus minus 2.
uh, okay, now do you know?
No, sir, I'm not sure.
Okay, okay, no problem. Just on line number 9, type console.log 1 less than 2, 2 less than 3.
One less than two, less than three.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I think this will be true, sir.
Okay. Okay. So just go through from 1 to 9, okay? And just
Yes, sir.
recheck your answer. If you want to modify any answer, just do it, okay? Then we will run the code.
Actually, I'm not sure we can just run it, sir. I don't know. I have just thought for some time and just run these things.
About what?
We can run, sir. We can
Yeah,
run this, sir.
yeah, run the code.
N
Okay,
A N. Not a number. Not a number. Not a number. Object. Object. Zero.
you got it.
Okay, I got the examples of the not a number thing, but I'm not sure of like how this object is there, sir. Object
Um,
plus object.
basically,
I know these are object, but if we object should not be these object be there should not be space in between them, sir.
what?
Like if we are adding something like add string a plus 2, so it will be a2, right, sir?
Yeah,
Without any break, any space between them.
yeah.
Should the object and object be not be together, sir? I was just
Um,
question that came in your mind.
basically, it not going to plus. Okay, in line number seven.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
it
Okay,
it does give us their type.
that type.
Yeah, because it is not possible to add the square bracket and the curly bracket.
Yes, sir. It's not possible.
Okay. Okay. So
And
yeah.
sir, can I just ask another question? Why the like string 2 minus 2 is 0? It is it just considered as number here?
Basically, what happen if you first one is string two and the second one is number. Okay, the first one is converted into number by the cohesion
Yes,
concept.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so two minus two equal to zero. If
Okay, sir.
in if you type two minus string two, it will give
Okay.
22.
It will give 22.
Okay,
Okay,
because
sir.
the first one is string and the first one is a number and the second one is string.
Okay, sir. I got it.
Okay,
Got it.
if first string is if the string come first, then it will convert into number.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, just remove this code. Okay,
Can I just console one so that I
yeah, okay, and do one thing now. mm, Create one string. Okay, type your
create
name
one string?
uh, type your name Sanjeev Kumar.
Okay, sure.
Sanjeev Kumar. Now I wanted to create one function where we can count how many vowels are in your name. Okay,
How many vowels are in my name? Okay. So,
you can use any inbuilt function. Okay, if you want. Okay,
so I think we can use this spread operator Spread operator. Spread operator. Then you can just write a loop and check for the vowels. Spread operator.
You can do it, or we can
Yes,
do
sir.
it.
I'm just thinking,
Okay, okay.
thinking of like if I should use spread or I should use that another one. I'm just not imagining that. C. We can use C also. C to check C. It's or C. C. No, no. C. In C. I'm not sure it was four off or four in for this. Mm.
What?
So I'm not sure if the four off loop does this.
You can use simple for loop. Why are you using for of?
I can go with simple also. So
Just
if
while
we
giving
can
interview,
say,
yeah, while giving interview, always use that function, that keyword, which you are comfortable. Don't try something
okay,
new.
sir. Okay, sir. You can just with mm, I think this would be fine, sir.
Okay. Run the code if you think it will work.
Yes, sir.
It is 4 or 5.
5, sir.
A double E.
2 times A, 2 times E, and 1 U.
Okay. That's great. Okay. Now tell me the what is the difference between asynchronous and the synchronous code.
Synchronous and asynchronous, sir. So
Asynchronous or
base.
synchronous, yeah.
So basically, sir, synchronous means that we are uh, executing line by line, and asynchronous came when we use if we are fetching any API, so it will take some time to fetch that API. So in the times of that, we use like promises, and we use promises like thing. Uh, then they uh, then they will the all the function, all the line wise आगे जो उसके आगे सर वो execute होती रहेगी, and और वो बाद में आगे promise अपना fulfillment कर देगा. So this is asynchronous. The synchronous is basically when the code is executing line by line.
Okay. And what about promises?
Promises is that is giving you that is saying that this will run. Either it will fail or either it will give you result, but this will work. लाइक वो आपको एक प्रॉमिस दे रहा है सर कि आप ये मीनवाइल टाइम में हो जाएगा. आइदर तो इसका रिजल्ट या तो इसका फुलफिलमेंट आएगा या फिर इसका रिस्पॉन्स फेल्ड आएगा, बट ये हो जाएगा. दिस विल बी टू.